Good morning everybody, class 5. Today I take your grammar class. In the previous day I have already completed chapter 5 pronouns. First day I repeat pronouns, what is called pronouns, how many types of pronouns, explained it, and then I repeat you the exercises. Today I also discussed, I again revised chapter 6 adjectives. First of all I tell you what are called adjectives. The words that describe a noun or a pronoun are called adjectives. So adjectives are also called describing words. Okay. So what is called adjectives? Adjectives are called describing words. That is the words that describe a noun or a pronoun, that is called adjectives. So adjectives are called describing words. Example, a good boy. He is a good boy. What kind of boy he? Good. An excellent teacher. What kind of teacher he is? Excellent. So excellent, good, bad, a fierce lion, that is fierce. This describes that is attractive, good, excellent. These things describe some things, some noun or pronoun. So these are called adjectives. Clear? What are called adjectives? The words which describe a noun or a pronoun, that is called adjectives. So adjectives are called describing words. Okay. Now I come to the next point, that is how many kinds of adjectives are there. There are different kinds of adjectives. So actually there are 6 types of adjectives, that is adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, interrogative adjective. So how are they? What are they? Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, interrogative adjective. Now I explain this. Adjectives of quality, that is the rose is beautiful. What kind of flower is rose? Beautiful. It is a large building. What kind of building it is? Large. He is a good boy. What kind of boy he? Good. That's why the answers, it answers the question what kind of. Which gives us the answers what kind of, that adjective is called adjectives of quality. This mansion is large and airy. What type of mansion it is? Large and airy. Large and airy is called adjective of quality. Next, adjective of quantity. Some, enough, few, little. These are called adjectives of quantity. It answers the question of how much. That is, this bottle contains a little amount of water. That is, how much water contains this bottle? A little. So little is the adjective of quantity. I have enough money. How much money have I? Enough. So enough is adjective of quantity. Adjective of number. 10, dozen, first, last. These are answers the questions how much. This also how much. But it tells us the number or position of people and things. That is 50 boys are gathers there. 50 people gathers in the meeting. That is 50. This is called adjective of number. Ramin is the first boy in the class. What is the position of Ramin in this class? First. So the adjective that tells us number and position of noun or pronoun or adjective, that is called adjectives of number. Okay. Demonstrative adjective. This, that, these, those. These are called demonstrative adjective. That is, it answers the question which one. This pen writes well. Which one? Which pen? This pen. Mention. Specifies one thing. That is demonstrative adjective. That is, that tree is very tall. Which tree? That tree. That is specialized. That. Okay. Possessive adjective. Her, my, our, his. These are possessive. This is my car. It shows possession. That is, it is anybody's. It is used with nouns to show ownership. It will always come before a noun. That is, your idea is good. Whose idea? Your. The dog wagged his tail, whose tail eats, that is eats and your, so the position. So these adjectives are called possessive adjective. Interrogative adjective, what, which, whose, etc. All the question words, WH question words are known as interrogative adjective. What color would you like? What? Which pen you, do you write? Which bag is yours? These are which, what, interrogative adjectives. So now I discuss how many kinds of adjectives. There are 6 kinds of adjectives. That is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, allusive adjective, interrogative adjective. Okay. And now I discuss something, that is adjective of numbers. There are 4 kinds of adjective of numbers: cardinal, ordinal, indefinite, distributive. So cardinal means sometimes adjectives with countable nouns are used as numbers. Such adjectives are called cardinal. Countable nouns cardinal, and uncountable nouns ordinal. You write one thing, you remind, then another things you generally remind. So sometimes adjectives with countable nouns are used as numbers. Such adjectives are called cardinal adjectives. That is, 4 cows are grazing in the field. 4 cows. Countable nouns, and 4 qualifies the noun. So it is cardinal adjective. Ordinal adjective, these are derived from cardinal adjectives and tell about the position or order of the things. That is, Ram is the first boy in the class. What is the position of Ram? First. I am the 5th person in the quake. What is the position of what is my position in the class? Quake, that is 5th. So the adjective which tells us our position, and that is called, and it is called ordinal adjectives. Okay. Indefinite numeral adjectives, they do not indicate any specific manners. Indefinite, anything, that is some, many, any. Some boys are playing, many men present there, etc. etc. Distributed numeral adjective, that is distributed, each boy was given sweet, distribute, and every girl present there, every. That is, there is a difference between indefinite numeral adjective and adjectives of quantity. It is that indefinite numeral adjectives are used with countable nouns. Indefinite numeral adjectives are used with countable nouns, and indefinite numeral adjectives, it is that indefinite numeral adjectives are used with countable nouns, and adjectives of quantity are used with uncountable nouns. Okay. Some salt, sufficient food, the adjectives of quantity, and some boys, many souls, that is indefinite numeral adjective. Okay. Difference between a demonstrative adjective and a demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative adjective qualifies a noun and is followed by a noun. A demonstrative adjective qualifies a noun and is followed by a noun in a sentence, but a demonstrative pronoun replaces a noun. Demonstrative pronoun replaces a noun. A demonstrative adjective qualifies a noun and is followed by that noun. This is my book, demonstrative pronoun. This, it replaces the noun. This book is mine, that is this book, this, demonstrative adjective, book, noun, and this qualifies the noun book and it follows the book. So this is the difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Now I come difference between interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun. Interrogative adjectives are followed by a nouns that they modify. But that is interrogative adjective. That is, what name do interrogative adjective? What name do you want to give your grandchild? What name? That is name noun, and it followed what? Followed the noun name. Interrogative adjective. What is the name of your grandchild? What? It replaces, and interrogative pronoun are generally followed by a main or an auxiliary verb. That is, what is the name of your grandchild is auxiliary verb, and what is followed here. Which interrogative, you simply reminds it in this process that interrogative pronoun followed by an auxiliary verb. an interrogative adjective followed by a noun. Okay. Difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Those the similarity between those are these, that, these, those. But if what replaces a noun, it is a possessive pronoun. And if it qualifies a noun, if it replaces a noun, it qualifies, that is a possessive pronoun. And if it qualifies a noun that appears after it, is a possessive adjective. This book is mine. That is, this book, it is demonstrative pronoun. This book is mine. This is my book, possessive adjective. Okay. That flat is ours, possessive pronoun. Which flat? That flat. And flat, it qualifies that, it qualifies a noun flat. And it appears after it. That is possessive pronoun. Possessive adjective, possessive pronoun. That is our flat, possessive adjective is, and it plays that after. So it is possessive adjective. Okay. You read it repeatedly, then you remind it. So in this class I repeat what is called adjective, how many kinds of adjective, etc. and explain these. Now I again repeat adjectives of number. There are 4 kinds of adjective of number: cardinal, ordinal, indefinite, distributive. Cardinal adjectives with countable nouns are used as numbers, such as such adjectives are also cardinal adjectives. They denote how many. That is, four boys are playing in the field. How many boys? 4. It is cardinal adjective. And ordinal adjective, these are derived from cardinal adjectives but tells about the position. That is, he is the last boy in the quake. What is the position of the boy in the quake? That is last. So last is ordinal adjective. Indefinite numeral adjective, that is, they do not indicate any specific number. That is, some boys are playing, many men present in the meeting, etc. etc. Now I come to distributive numeral adjective. Each, every, these are called distributive. Each boy was given sweets, every girl participates in the quiz contest, etc. etc. There is a difference between indefinite numeral adjective and adjectives of quality. Indefinite, it is that indefinite numeral adjectives are used with countable nouns. Indefinite numeral adjectives, remind it, indefinite numeral adjectives are used with countable nouns, and adjectives of quantity are used with uncountable nouns. This is the difference. That is, some, salt, sufficient food, adjectives of quantity, and some boys, many sons, adjectives of numeral adjective. Okay. Next, I come to the point, that is, there is a difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Both are same kind. Demonstrative, that is, these, that, those, these, that, these, those. But there is a difference. How we recognize it, as it is demonstrative pronoun or demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective qualifies a noun and is followed by a noun. That is, this book is mine. So this, the word this qualifies the book and it follows the book. So this is demonstrative adjective. But a demonstrative pronoun replaces a noun. That is, this is my book. This, demonstrative adjective. Again, there is a difference between interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun. That is, interrogative adjectives that followed a noun that they modify, and interrogative pronouns are generally followed a noun or an auxiliary verb. Interrogative pronouns are generally followed by a main verb or an auxiliary verb. That is, what name do you want to give your boy? And that is, what name? It is interrogative adjective. But what is the name of your boy? Here, what is followed, the auxiliary verb is, so it is interrogative pronoun. Again, there is a difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. That is, possessive adjective, possessive pronoun, mine, our, his, her. That is, a word, if a word replaces a noun, it is a possessive pronoun. But if it qualifies the noun that appears after it, is a possessive adjective. That is, this book is mine. So possessive pronoun. And this is my book, possessive adjective. Okay. That flat is ours, possessive pronoun. That is our flat, possessive adjective. Okay. Now I describe everything again. Repeat, revised. This explanation again. Now I show you the pages. So today I revised chapter 6, that is adjectives. Only I describe, give you some introductory notes and explains what is pronoun, how many kinds of pronoun and examples. Next day I do exercises of this chapter in your class. Okay, thank you.